Welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. But there's hope on the horizon thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we'll explore how AI is playing a crucial role in combating climate change and helping us build a sustainable future. Stay tuned. Let's start with a brief overview. Climate change refers to long-term shifts and alterations in temperature and weather patterns, primarily caused by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, involves the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and more. But how exactly can AI help in the fight against climate change? AI enhances climate modeling by analyzing vast amounts of climate data to improve the accuracy of weather forecasts and climate predictions. Machine learning algorithms can process historical weather data, satellite images, and other climate-related information to identify patterns and trends. This helps scientists predict extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts, allowing for better preparedness and response. Remote sensing technologies, such as satellites and drones, collect critical data about the Earth's atmosphere, land, and oceans. AI processes this data to monitor environmental changes in real time. For example, AI can detect deforestation, track glacier melting, and monitor ocean health, providing valuable insights for climate action. AI helps optimize energy consumption in various sectors. In buildings, AI-powered systems can regulate heating, cooling, and lighting to reduce energy waste. In industries, AI can enhance energy efficiency by monitoring equipment performance and predicting maintenance needs, thus minimizing downtime and energy consumption. AI plays a crucial role in the integration and management of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Machine learning algorithms predict energy production based on weather conditions and optimize the distribution of renewable energy in the grid. This ensures a stable and efficient supply of clean energy. The transportation sector is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. AI helps reduce these emissions by optimizing logistics and traffic management. For instance, AI algorithms can plan the most efficient routes for delivery trucks, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Additionally, AI is at the heart of developing electric and autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to further decrease carbon footprints. Precision agriculture uses AI to enhance farming practices. AI-powered tools analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This not only increases crop yields, but also reduces the environmental impact of farming. AI helps protect biodiversity by monitoring wildlife populations and their habitats. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data from camera traps, audio recordings, and satellite images to track endangered species and detect illegal activities like poaching and deforestation. AI provides policymakers with data-driven insights to create effective climate policies. By analyzing environmental data and modeling the impacts of different policy scenarios, AI helps governments and organizations make informed decisions to mitigate climate change.